BMW K1600B Best Adventure Motorcycle Constant Mesh 6-speed with helical-cut gears. The low-slung BMW K1600B bagger is back for 2021. Besides a new color, the changes are a combination of previously optional equipment becoming standard, as well as new options. Let's do a rundown of what bagger fans will like about the 2021 BMW K1600B, according to our European sources. 1. The comfort package gets a new look. Up/down clutchless shifting and various security features are now part of the comfort package. The auxiliary LED headlights are no longer part of the package. 2. The touring package has been beefed up. Picking this option gets you auxiliary LED headlights, an audio system, engine protection bars, and running boards. If you prefer, there's an option from BMW Motorrad that replaces the running boards with lockable storage. 3. The safety package is no longer an option. Many of the features it included are now standard. 4. Reverse is now standard on the Grand America. 5. Rather than an option, adaptive turning lights and DLRs are now standard equipment. Auxiliary LED headlights are now optional. 6. Tire pressure monitoring will be on every 2021 BMW K1600 Grand America. 7. Engine protection bars are now available for the Grand America. 8. Imperial Blue Metallic is gone, and replaced with Mars Red Metallic shown in the photos. Black Storm Metallic, Hockenheim Silver Metallic, and Lupin Blue Metallic are carryovers from last year. BMW K1600B specs. Engine type, inline 6. Displacement, 1,649 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke, 72 by 67.5 millimeters. Maximum power, 160 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. Maximum torque, 129 ft-lbs at 5,250 RPM. Maximum speed, 125 plus mph. Compression ratio, 12.2 to 1. Valvetrain, DOHC, 4 VPC. Gearbox, constant mesh 6-speed with helical-cut gears. Clutch, hydraulically actuated multi-disc. Final drive, shaft. Chassis. Frame, aluminum bridge type with load-bearing engine. Front suspension, travel, BMW Motorrad Duolever with central spring strut, 4.5 inches. Rear suspension, travel, BMW Motorrad Paralever, 4.9 inches. Wheels, cast aluminum. Front wheel, 17 by 3.50. Rear wheel, 17 by 6.00. Front tire, 120/70x17. Rear tire, 190/55x17. Front brakes, 320 mm floating discs W/4 piston fixed calipers. Rear brake, 320 mm disc with dual piston floating caliper. ABS, cornering aware ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase, 63.7 inches. Rake, 27.8 degrees. Trail, 4.2 inches. Seat height, 29.5 inches, high seat, 30.7 inches. Curb weight, 741 pounds. Fuel capacity, 7.0 gallons. Estimate fuel consumption, 41 miles per gallon. Colors: Black Storm Metallic, Hockenheim Silver Metallic, Mars Red Metallic, Lupin Blue Metallic. BMW K1600B price, $MSRP TBA.